nandito na tayo sa labas, day. Actually, 30 minutes na ako naglakad, day. But may nakita ako. Maganda yung nakita ko, guys. Sobrang ganda. Day, tingnan nyo, day. Yung flowers. Nandoon pa, day. Diba? Ang ganda. Napahinto ako, day, nang dahil lang dito. And then, ito ay mga wildflowers dito, day. Wildflowers. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Hey. Tayo, day, hindi nyo ako makikita. Ito. Makita nyo na ako. Uuking na tayo. Ang dami pa. Nandyan sa gilid-gilid. Nandyan lang sa gilid-gilid yung mga wildflowers, day. Ganito yata yung camera ko para makikita nyo yung pagmumukha ko, day. Kahit medyo may kapangitan tayo, ala, kailangan pa din natin ipakita yung pagmumukha natin. Kasi nandito, we are trying to be vlogger. Patay. Nangangarap lang, day. No, wala namang masamang mangarap, diba, day? So, walking. So, it's been a while, day, na hindi ako nakapag-walk. Kasi nga, walang magbabantay kabibikano ba. So, today, yung anak ko is walang trabaho yung anak ko na panganay. So siya yung nagbantay kay Bibi Kano. So habang may chance ako na maka-exercise o maka-walking, i-grab na natin, day. Ito ay malaking school dito sa amin, malapit lang. But kung lalakarin mo, malapit lang din. Pero ang mga tao dito, mga estudyante, day, nagda-ride pa rin sila ng school bus kahit malapit. Lalo na sa day, sa winter, mag-snow. Kailangan mo talagang mag-school bus. Kasi, day, sobrang kapal ng snow namin dito, day. Sobrang kapal talaga. May sila, day, kino-contraction nila yung yard nila. Yung mga maglalaro sila ng day ba? Baseball or mga ganyan ba? Baseball, track and field. So, kinukontract nila, pinapaganda pa nilang more pa na pinapaganda nila. Hala, ang daming bulaklak, day. Nasa loob yung bulaklak. Let's go. Mga inday, nandito na tayo, mga inday. Diba? Ang gandang day, lakaran, day. Ito ay walking path. Hanggang doon. Ang ganda ng nature. Pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay. Kasi nga is may nag-lawn mower sa bahay nila, day. Kaya medyo maingay yung video natin, but it's okay. Ang ganda. Hello mga inday. Pauwi na tayo, mga inday. At nakita ko itong mga bulaklak na yellow dito, day. Papakita ko sa inyo, day, ha. Tingnan nyo, day. Ang ganda. Iba ko. Napahinto na lang ako, day. Kasi nakita ko itong bulaklak na to. Diba? Ang ganda talaga. Yay. Mga inday, nandito na tayo sa bahay, day. Yay! I made it! Nakaabot tayo sa bahay. Isang oras na paglalakad, mga inday. But it's worth it. What? Bibi Kano nandoon sa Bibi Kano. Hi! Bibi Kano sa bintano. Hi! Mama! Sisang mukha. Kawawa naman yung mukha. Ay! Hello! I have flowers for you. Mama have something flowers for you. Nandiyan yung bata natin. Hi! Hello! Sisang cute ang bata na gamay. Ay! Dito na lang ako dadaan, nak. Ay, nak. Dito na lang ako dadaan, mga inday. Kasi nandito si Bibi Kano. Mama have something for you. Look. Look. It's a flower. Ay, gusto magpakarga man to, day. Abay, no. Ang dili, mang luwa. Ay. Oh, Mama have flowers for you. Alam, this is yours. Oh, anak, asya. Flowers. Oh, paatik, pa-drama-drama si Bibi Kano din na ayaw niya. Tara, tingnan niyo nga, oh. This is for you, flowers. Mama, bring that for you. Oh, you have 3 This is mine. Love you, anak. See? 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. This is ang bataan siya. Sobrang saya niya mga Inday. This is... Papaliguan ko to dahil magre-relax muna ako and then papaliguan ko si Bibi Kano. Sis, ang batang na damay. Pasok na tayo sa loob dahil doon sa loob is malamig doon sa loob. I-close muna natin tong pinto dito dahil. Let's go inside, Ashir. It's hot here in the front porch. Go inside, dali na. Dali. Come here, mama. Anak, come here inside. Hello, mga Inday. Lalabas tayo, mga Inday. Nandito na yung bata-batuta natin. Ashish, ashish. Yung papa niya, wala pa sa loob yung papa niya. Akala ko nandito. I was thinking you are here, lady. Inside. Agray. You want to be in the camera?
She beats me.
Ay! Dama-dama. You put gani something in your... What is that, love? Aimo? Sabi ng asawa ko, ano ba ka nang gibunalan sa Bisaya? Gibunalan daw na ako siya, day. Sa Bisaya. Pero kung sa Tagalog, iwan ko yung, ginaganyan ba ng... Ganyan, basta na. Ay mo, anong Tagalog?
Asawa ko, Zumbag, Spano.
No, I'm not sumbagyo. You're drama-drama. Kasi nilagyan niya ng ay mo yung mata niya, day. Parang umiiyak siya. Kaya yun, nagdadrama. She beats me daw. Okay. Lagay muna natin sa bibikan dito, day. No, don't get out your... Ano? Get out na. Hey. Agray. My love, you put this one boy, I will put this one in outside. I don't like this one in the box.
Yeah, that's right, love. Boy, I tell you what, some banners, they just don't do the right thing.
I don't want like our car is like a garbage.
No, I agree. I should be taken behind the woodshed and beat. So you're gonna do that after we get home?
No.
Come on, please.
Okay, I'll beat you. Crazy bana. Okay na si Bibi Kano, day. Nandiyan na yung super cute natin na bana. Bana, bata, nakabunit yan, day. Super cute na bata, nakabunit. So let's go na tayo.
Where's Brent?
Friends! Kuy, nag-jacket, ginoo ko Friends, wearing a jacket, it's super hot.
Brent, you got a jacket on?
Yeah, look.
Oh, jacket? It's a hoodie.
Okay, yeah, that's a hoodie. That's not a jacket. Ay, nako, yung teenager ngayon dahil hindi natin maintindihan dahil. Nandiyan, first time, nagbutan na kasi, birthday mo na. Nandito, first time ng anak ko dahil na makasakay dito sa sasakyan,
Yeah, we got knockprints in the car.
Yeah. Bahay dahil, yung anak ko dahil. Andun, nudang TV. Ha? Sige na, ibutang na yung seatbelt.
Junk.
There's nothing?
It's 2 pieces of junk mail. They can stay there.
Okay. So let's go na tayo. Kasi dahil may bibilhin yung anak ko dahil. Kaya yan sumama sa amin ngayon for today's video. Yung anak ko, Bibi Kano, nandyan. Sis, tumitingin sa bintana. Uy. Yung asawa ko. Hi, love. Heart pa. Tingnan nyo dahil. Diba?
You tried to get proof, some sort of evidence?
Yeah, proof. It's okay. Let's go! Mga Inday, mga dudong. Ay. Mga Inday, nandito kami sa bangko nagkuha or kukuha kami ng cash, mga Inday.
That's right.
Buti na lang maganda yung weather natin today dahil, diba? Nandito tayo sa bangko. So, kaunti lang yung kailangan namin, Day, kasi may mga karne pa naman kami doon sa bahay. So, ito lang yung kailangan namin, conditioner, towel, small towel lang, Day ba? Dishwashing, milk, and food of Asher and water. Yan lang yung kailangan namin na bilhin sa grocery store. And then yung anak ko, may gusto siyang
There we
bilhin.
go.
So,
A little over 20,000
oh, 20,000.
pesos.
Ah, okay. Like $400. Let's go.
Enough to eat out at a restaurant.
Oh yeah, for sure. Dada Carla, what happened to this guy?
Terrible. He was going the wrong direction. He really wanted to go the right
Oh,
way.
that
This
is
guy with
the
his boat.
that is the car. Whoa! Can we go?
Oh yeah, you can get that boat for
Can we go with
couple
you?
$1,000, love.
I like in being the ocean.
You
Or
can go get that one right now.
ah, house is priority payments. I
Yeah,
don't want
that's
to
right.
stress myself.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how could I? That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's right.
Kakatawa ng kasama ko dahil. Hindi ka na dahil tumitingin lang talaga. Asher just looking in the window. And then quiet. I hope he will not bored. Kasi dahil basta si Bibi ka nung mag-bored na siya dahil, iiyak siya dahil. Ang laki ng bibig dahil, umiiyak. Basta nabubored na siya dahil. Lalo na mag-long drive kami dahil. Yan, iiyak na siya dahil. Nabuboring na siya dahil.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos on the World Wide Web. Hope I made you laugh.
60s, early
So
70s.
beautiful.
Volkswagen. That's the Volkswagen, love.
It's old paper one. Old, ano lang, old man.
Yeah, it's an old
And the other one have a long hair, like a woman hair, but it's all white already. That's so cute. I like that. Oh, I think they are a friend or maybe they are a brother. Because the driver is an old man too, and all white hair already too. I think maybe they are her friend or a brother. That's nice. Just go somewhere. I like that.
And it's blocking my work exit. They're unloading
Oh.
chassis for our plant. That's why it stopped.
Ah,
And that means they're blocking the road.
oy,
Yeah, it's terrible.
for sure. Mga Inday, nandito na kami. So, this time mga Inday, pumunta kami sa ibang grocery store dito sa Mayer. Mayer o Meyer?
Myers.
Myers. So, sa Myers kami pumunta this time. And then, nasaan na yung anak ko, no? Nagtago sa kabila. Prince is hiding.
Why is Prince hiding?
I don't know.
He's hiding from your camera.
Yeah, maybe. Let's go.
Stop being a bully.
No, I'm not a bully. Kami na anak. We gonna buy your sandals for summer outfit. Maybe they have love. They have what we call of that sale ba?
Yeah,
What we call of that love? The other term of sale? What is that? Clearance. Clearance sale. Maybe they have clearance sale. Yan yung anak ko eh. Ito yung Meyer. Bili ka no, yan hawak ng papa yan. Ang laki nito na camera na. Ang laki ng dahil na grocery store na to. Kasi ito ay parang mall dahil may mga din sila. May mga damit, grocery, basta may din sila. Iba, may mga bulaklak ganyan dahil madami silang tinda ba. Let's go. Banana. Wala mas lang maganda na banana dahil yung banana nila dahil pangit man dahil. Their banana is still not. We don't have other banana. We don't have a nice one. Ay, akala ko dahil nawala na yung asawa ko at si Bibi Kano dahil. Nandun lang pala, oh. We are looking. Nandito lang pala yung dalawa ng batang to.
You lost Mana?
Yeah, I thought you.
Mana disappeared. Listen, love. Anytime you're not sure, just figure in your head where is the candy and the sweets at. Which today is over here by the donuts and the cookies.
Love, we go there in the cookie.
Yeah, see, that's where I was.
Punta kami ng cookie dahil. Ang gano'ng bata. Love, just the cookie, love. The cookie that chocolate and the sugar cookie. Ay, ang dami mga cookie dito dahil. Ay, ang dami mga sarap dahil. Where you go? That is not a cookie. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. Ah, the cookie is here. Ay, ang daming cookie dahil. Ang daming cookie. Ang daming cookie. It's sale. I want to buy this one. Coke.
How the hell is one of those at $12 a sale?
No, this one 6. And this one is 24 cans. And this one is 12 cans.
I'm sorry, we're at the store. You're so strong.
Wala.
Hey, you're doing good. Go,
Ang
go, go.
bigat na.
Go for the goal. No, you did good though.
Ay, ang bigat na. What yours, my love?
No.
No? You don't want?
No.
Ang bata natin. Nandito yung bata natin. Bahala ka. Bahala po ka. Di ba pa? Look. 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 He likes it. Hello mga Inday. Nandito na tayo sa sasakyan mga Inday. And then biyahe na tayo day. Iwan ko day yung araw day is sobrang tirik but hindi siya yung masakit sa balat. Hala.
Yeah, that's why I went this way. Stay short, don't grow.
You want to be
It's in the summer. When it grows, the summer is gonna go away. I don't want to do winter again.
Yeah. It's a beautiful farm. Whoa.
Red light going this way is where we went. Because I pointed down this way and I told you that's Fuji's own word.
Yeah. Kain tayo dahil. May tacos tayo dito. And then yung papa niya nandiyan sa bintana. Ng isa dahil. Tingnan yung kamay dahil. Dalawang french fries. Dalawang french fries. Oh. Yung kuya niya, kumakain din yung kuya niya dyan. Diba? And then may drinks din kami dito dahil. Yeah. Let's eat. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Kain ka na patay. Mga Inday, nandito na kami sa bahay mga Inday. And then, no, I will, yeah. That is part of our day routine. Da, yung lubot. Da, kasi na kong lubot. Kukunin ko muna si Bibi Kano day. What are you eating? You eating french fries? Huh? You have no sleeper anymore. Na. Ah.